Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening accounts. Google.com/create and entering your name. This tells Google how to suggest usernames. Once done, type a base username idea, short, memorable, and without special symbols. Make sure to have a recovery email or phone nearby for verification codes. If your first choice is taken, you will see alternative suggestions. Pick one that matches your purpose. You want a username that's easy to spell and fits any future account uses. So now you refine the username when Google reports availability. Try initials, a number, or a dot to keep the same base name. You do this because many common names are taken, and small changes preserve recognizability. Make sure you avoid sensitive info like birth dates or SSNs in the username. Those are poor for privacy. Once you see an available option, pause and read it aloud. You want something readable, professional when needed, and consistent with other online handles. Finish by filling the remaining form fields, accept Google's terms, and verify with the sent code so the username is locked to your account. If Google rejects a username, clear your browser cache or switch to incognito and try again. Sometimes cached suggestions interfere. If you still can't, tweak the name slightly or register a similar backup username to prevent impersonation. Once verified, you're done. Remember to record the username securely so you won't lose access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.